If you no longer wish to use threads and want to delete your account, you will not able to do that because deleting your threads account will also delete your associated Instagram account. As we all know, threads is powered by Instagram, so right now it's just one account, but they are working on a solution to allow users to delete their threads account independently. However, you can deactivate your threads profile. To deactivate your threads profile, open threads on your device and tap on your profile icon. Then tap on the two lines at the top. Once you are in the settings menu, select account. Within the account settings, you will find the deactivate profile option. Give it a tap. Confirm your action by selecting deactivate threads profile. By following these steps, you can successfully deactivate your threads profile. Now your profile's threads, replies and likes will remain hidden until you log in back. Your account will be reactivated once you log in again. So that's how you can deactivate your threads account. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question or comment, leave it in the comment section, or you can directly contact us on our social media accounts. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech videos.